In this blog, I'll cover the knit surface and thicken surface, and I'll recall back to planar surface and fillet surface, plus some fundamental features. I'll design an air vent, which is an opening that allows air to pass through an area, adding 4 planes correlated to the top plane. This air vent needs 3 bases to be done. Starting with the top plane, draw a rectangle, dimension it. Draw a line parallel to the angle and do it for all the angles. Trim the unnecessary sides. Go to plane 4, do the same steps with different dimensions. It's ready to loft. I have talked about lofted surface. Hit the I button, you'll find it out. I've done the same steps in the other ports. The 3 parts are ready. I'll complete each one by using a planar surface. All edges in the set must be on the same plane. Use the knit surface tool to combine 2 or more faces or surfaces into one. In the second one, we need to make a hole. So draw a circle and trim the needless surface. I have lectured the trim surface. Hit the I button and check it out. Likewise, the third one. To make a cover for each part, assign on each larger rectangle and draw an outer one. Knit surfaces observe the surface bodies and create a solid body. Fillet the inner edges. Do the same steps for the other parts. Fillet all the outer back edges to each part of this air vent. When you select Thicken, both sides will be thick. It adds the thickness you specify to both sides. Do it triple. To combine these parts, we must create pipes. To do so, draw a circle . Instead of drawing a circle 4 times, use a circular pattern. We have talked about it previously. Hit the I button, you'll find it out. Choose the cut to extrude to bring about the way for the pipe. Draw another circles and extrude them. I can use the 3D sketch to draw the pipe, but instead of that, I have added a plane between two circles to draw it. I have lectured Swept Boss before and how to add planes. You can find it out in the I button. There are 3 types of venting in your home: venting for supply air, return air, and exhaust air. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for tuning in.